Hello everyones. Welcome back to the Review Pro. In today's videos, we are going to check out the top 5 best camping tables in 2019. To see the price and more information about these camping tables, please check out the links down in the description. Okay, so let's begin the videos. Starting at number 5, we have the Lifetime Tailgate. This is another high-end folding table that will offer you exceptional performance when it comes to outdoor use. This table comes with an oversized top, making it an excellent choice for serving your whole family or camping team. The tabletop features white granite, offering it with a stylish and a modern look to maximum user convenience. This unit also comes with an inbuilt paper towel holder, tensile hooks, as well as a molded-in carrying handle. Unlike most of the models on the market, this unit comes with stain-resistant materials to ensure durability. The top is also easy to clean, making it a perfect choice for an outdoor BBQ, tailgate, as well as picnic party. To ensure that your hard floor as well as another delicate flooring remains in top condition, this table also comes with non-marring foot caps. Moving on, at number 4, we have the GCI Outdoor Slim. The GCI Outdoor Slim Fold outdoor cooking table comes with unique slim fold technology that makes it easy to use in the outdoors. This table is incredibly easy to set up and take down thanks to its hassle-free one-piece design. The table boasts of high-quality and heat-resistant aluminum countertop side hooks to keep your cooking equipment. To provide you with additional space, the table comes with 4 or 5 cold outside tables that are usable for holding your food ingredients as well as beverages. Additionally, this versatile table also comes with stem glass holders and hooks for hanging various items. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. At number 3, we have the Camco Deluxe 6 inches. The Camco Deluxe 6 inches grill table is a must-have if you are planning a camping trip, tailgate party, beach visit, or even a picnic. This folding table will offer you a spacious grilling space which you can use to prepare mouth-watering outdoor recipes for your family and friends. We love its high-strength steel frame and heat-resistant aluminum tabletop. The table also comes with a bottom rack for storing your accessories. Additionally, this model comes with a handy paper towel rack, high-strength frame for durability, as well as built-in racks that assist you in storing your grilling racks as well as other accessories. At number 2, we have the OUTRY Lightweight with cup. Designed with users' needs in mind, this OUTRY Lightweight camping table will make an excellent addition for outdoor use in various activities such as beach parties, backpacking, picnics, as well as road trips. The table comes with anti-slip rubber feet that increase the traction on various floors, making it easy to use almost everywhere. Unlike other models on the market, this unit also comes with cup holders to avoid accidentally knocking over your drinks. The table is lightweight thanks to its heavy-duty, ripstop fabric tabletop ergonomic frame, which ensures maximum stability. Additionally, you are also provided with a free carrying case, making it effortless to transport as well as storing the product. And finally, at number 1, we have the Trekology Camping. If you are looking for a high-end table that you can use for various outdoor uses including camping, picnics, boat, or beach, this is a decent choice. This table will allow you to cook your meal, enjoy a cold beer, or play a game outdoors without any problems. The table combines unsurpassed views mobility without sacrificing its integrity. This table is designed to withstand harsh weather conditions thanks to its tough construction that is waterproof and easy to clean. The table is crafted using high-grade aluminium alloy, which is coated with a rust-resistant and beautiful metallic colors. Additionally, this table retains a substantially lightweight design that is easy to carry almost everywhere, as well as a simple setup that doesn't require any tools. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.